What's the meaning of curate's egg? Curate's egg. Curate's egg.
Curate's egg. Curate's egg. Curate's egg is a phrase used to describe something that is partly good and partly bad, or of uneven quality. The phrase comes from a cartoon published in the British magazine Punch in 1895, in which a polite curate says his egg is good in parts. This phrase has since entered the English language as a humorous way of describing a situation where there are both positive and negative aspects present, but not all parts are good. It can be applied to a variety of situations, such as a movie with good acting but a weak plot, or a meal with delicious food but poor service.